Hello everyone. So now we are in the process of closing this semester and we have done with the interim exam, or very soon we'll done with the interim exam. Now after the exam we want to show all the marks to the student, and if we have so many students, then it's very difficult to tell them individual marks, and sharing the Excel sheet across all the student is not fair. So in that case, how to handle this situation? So there is one technological solution, that is the mail merger. With the help of mail merger, you can send individual student their individual marks. So you can send their personalized email to individual student with one single go. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, we have to prepare the data. So what we required in the data, we just required the name, because you want to send them personally names. Then you have an email of that particular person and the data whatever you want to send. So here you can say midterm marks, interim marks, quiz marks, and project marks and other components. Whatever marks you want to send, you can send it, or whatever data you want to send, you can send it. So this can be useful while you want to send a personal message to a big group of person. Then this can be helpful for you. So once you're done with the data, the next what you have to do, you have to open a Word file. Right? Once you open a Word file, you just go to the in this blank document, go to the mailing. Right? In the mailing, there is an option Start Mail Merger. You can check out here Start Mail Merger. So you just go and go with the step-by-step mail merger. So this is the easiest way what I also follow. Right? So now once you're done with with this step, then you just click on the email message, because ultimately you want to send an email. Right? The next step to select the, suppose you have some prior template that you can upload here, but because we do not have any template, so you just start with a current document, that blank document. Next, it is saying select the recipient. So in order to select the recipient, you just need to browse this item and select your particular file, that Excel file that you have prepared. So this Excel file I have here, so I just open this Excel file. So now it opens, so it will say you have the name, you have the email, you have the data 1, data 2, so that can, if you have multiple data, that will come into the picture. Right? Once you're done, then you just next and write your email. Now here you have to write the personal email. So you can say dear, now you want student name. So go to the insert merge field, this option insert merge field, and enter the name. Now you can say your name is coming here. So whenever it will write the email, it will get the data from the Excel and put it here. Then you can say your details are as follows, and you can say now I want to say data 1, or let's say your midterm marks, and then you pull the particular data. So here it is the data 1. Now you can say your interim marks, and then we'll pull another data 2. Right? And then you just write the final line, regards Vipul, and next you have to send the email. Right? So once you're done with this, just you complete it, and then it will say electronic email. Click on here, it will ask to, so you have the email in the list, so it will tell you the title of that particular column. So it's an email. Subject line, so you can say final marks, and to all document. Once you click OK, automatically it will send the email. So let's say I just send the email, so it will send to all the recipient. Right? That's it, nothing more. So this is the way how you can send the email to individual person with one single go. It's very easy. So just try it out to send the marks to individual person, individual student. So thank you very much. We'll see soon.